Hi there, it's Sue Stapp. I have the cards that we're doing for this month's, that's July of 2020, the Workshop in the Mail program. So I wanted to share those with you and show you a quick demonstration on them. These are pretty easy cards this month. The first one is this cute zany zebra, and it says it's time to celebrate, you party animal. And it says kick up your heels, and he has a little colored hat there. So that's what's in this envelope. And you have an instruction sheet with a photograph, and you also have in the envelope here, it's Whisper White, and on the front you're just going to layer this, and you're going to, this is for the inside of your card. You're going to layer the zebra GSP first, and then you're going to do the black, and then the white that has the stamp on it, and then this is the kick up your heels. Now this is done in Pretty Peacock, I believe it is. You can use any color, and there's a little hat here that you're going to color in, and fussy cut, and then apply to his top of his mane there with a dimensional, and that's what gives you that height on there. So just that little touch of color, I thought made it look really nice. So that's the first card that I'm showing you today. And then the second card is a retirement card, and this is super simple also. It is layering and coloring. So this month we're going to get out our markers or our colored pencils, whatever medium you have that you want to work with. And this is the inside of the card. This is the outside of the card. The front, we just have hot air balloons. You want to make sure they're going the correct direction on here, up and down. And then this is the sentiment page with the little fella on it. Doesn't he look like a used car salesman? No offense to used car salesmen, but he looks like a used car salesman. Or I thought that one actor that's in Schitt's Creek, if you colored in his eyebrows, it looked like him. I don't know, just what I thought. So I'll give you a heads up too, though, if you are going to use the Stampin' Blends, the alcohol markers will bleed through the papers, so be sure you do it on a piece of scrap paper so it doesn't ruin the part of your card. So that's that little fella, and I used a flesh tone to color his skin in. And the next one is a little gal, and she's from the Senior Years stamp set, which is the same set the gentleman was from. And it says, it feels like we've been friends forever. And then down here at the bottom it says, which is weird because we're both about 29, right? Question mark. This is in lovely lipstick, and it has a sheet of DSP. And again, simple coloring, and you'll adhere it to your card. I did add some little mini pearls on here, and if you have some of those in your stash, you can add those on there, or if you want to just, color that necklace in, that's fine too. But I had some in my stash. They're not included in your kit. They're not a Stampin' Up! Item right now, so that is, if you have it in your stash, you can add a necklace. And then the next one is the goat, and it says, you're the goat, greatest of all time. And it has this cute little goat that you're going to color in, and a tin can. I put a little grass scribble here at the bottom just because I thought it didn't look right to have him floating in midair. But it has the flower oval, and then he has the flower in his mouth. So I kind of coordinated the colors to go with that. And on this one, it's the same thing. You're going to layer that on your card. You have Wisteria Wonder is our base color, and the inside is white. The first layer on here is the gray, and that has the you're the greatest of all time, or you're the goat. And then the oval on here here, and then this oval goes on top of it and off to the side a little. This one you're going to color, and again, if you want to add in the little ground underneath, green or brown or whatever, and then after you're done coloring it, put it on with dimensionals. Don't forget to color your flower. So that's that card. You know, not real difficult this month. Last month we had some doozies, so hopefully this one will be a little bit easier. And then you're going to get a bonus, a 5th card on here, and I like this so much. It is Whale Done, W-H-A-L-E, done. It's all ocean related, and it has whales and jellyfish and well, why don't I just show you? This is the stamp set. Jellyfish, whale, turtle, coral, seagrass, seahorse, little fishies, and a couple of really cute sentiments on there. So that's from this stamp set. And on this one, what you're going to do is you are going to, this is on Very Vanilla. No, it's on Whisper White cardstock, sorry. And this one has a few more layers, but it really adds to the card, I think. So this one is Grapefruit Grove, and then this is embossed with the new embossing folder under the C. And I don't know if you can see this detail on the camera right now, but it does have a lot of detail on there. And then another Grapefruit Grove, and I kind of put this one askew, and then I did my one with the print on it straight, and the sentiment at the bottom. And on this, I stamped your turtles. You're gonna fussy cut these out, and you're gonna add it to your card. Now I added 1 to the front of my card. If you wanna add 2, you can, or if you wanna use the other one on the inside of your card, you can do that too. So those are the cards for July 2020, Workshop in the Mail. Thank you for signing up for that this month, and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to give me a call. Happy to help out, and happy stamping. See you next month. Bye.